Hello, in this jQuery video, I'm going to show you the key press event. So if you have not done the key down video, if you haven't gone through that, I'd highly recommend it because we're going to be extending on from that, count on from that. Okay, so just a little quick recap. The key down is triggered when the key is pressed down and whilst it is constantly, pressed down. I haven't let go of the key yet. Probably heard that the key got released. So if you just want like one single click when you actually push it down, you want the key press, and we can literally copy and paste this. If I leave that and I'll change this to press, you can have an event.which as well. I'm going to say single press. Now if I save that, reload, I'm going to press the A key. As you can see, this is constantly getting triggered. Compared to this, is only triggered when we actually initially press it down. So that's the difference between the key down and the key press events. Stay tuned for the next part of this series, which will cover the key up event. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.